Alright, so let me show you how to clean the dirt under your iron. Some of the irons will have dirt stick under it. Some people will put it in the sand, drag it in the sand until the dirt is gone. But sometimes you do that and you realize there's so much scratch under the iron, you can't even iron with it anymore. So first get your paracetamol. This is a locally made paracetamol. It's sold in a drugstore or the pharmacy. It's very cheap. If you have as low as 2 cedis, you can get paracetamol to buy. And then you pick your iron, you plug the iron, let it become very hot. And you know the peels are very small, so they are tiny. When you are cleaning, you have to be very careful so that the iron, the sole plate, will not touch your skin, or else it will burn your skin. So just pick the iron. We are going to do this in just about a minute. Pick the iron, plug it, let it become very hot, and then you remove the paracetamol peel by peel. Then what you do is you scratch under the iron with the paracetamol. As you are doing, you realize the paracetamol will be melting, and when it's melting, you have to be very careful it doesn't burn your fingers, or it doesn't touch your skin. All right. So when you finish, you take another one, then you just scratch it under the iron. You see the dirt is melting together with the paracetamol. Okay. Now the smoke that you see, you just clean with your white cloth. You can pick a cloth and put it by you. So as you are scratching under the iron, I'm using the cloth to clean the dirt. So you see it will be melting. That's the way to do it. You don't need to scratch the iron in the sun. You don't need to use soap and water. You know, electricity and water doesn't match. Okay. You can imagine when electricity comes into contact with water, and you are likely to hurt yourself. So just clean it like that. The dirt will be going. Just use the paracetamol piece by piece. The paracetamol will be melting, and be careful it doesn't burn you. Okay. So henceforth, don't scratch your iron in the sand, or use soap and water and sponge to be cleaning the dirt under it. Just use paracetamol. It's a very cheap drug. When you do, then you just clean with your cloth. And as you can see, it's just going away. So that's how to do it. Just within a minute or two, you'll be able to finish it. The iron must be hot, remember. See, it's all gone. All the dirt is gone. Do it until it becomes very clean. And when you are ironing, you realize it's so smooth. You'll be able to iron without any stress. Your clothes will not be dirty because of the dirt under the iron, the soap